Alright guys, I have a check engine light on my 2006 Toyota Sienna. I got this code P0442. Evaporated emission system leak detected. Small leak. I'm going to go ahead and show you what it is right now. Alright guys, so it looks like the reason why I'm getting this code is because of this gas cap. So I got a 12-year-old that puts gas in for us. He goes ahead and just turns the whole thing. So the gas cap is no good. So I got this original gas cap from eBay. It's a Toyota part. This is for the 2006 Toyota Sienna. That's the part number. So I got this part for $10 and it's the original gas cap. We're going to go ahead and replace that. Alright guys, so I went ahead and took the old gas cap. I'm going to go ahead and put this new one on. So that's good right there. Then what I'm going to go ahead and do once I replace the gas cap, I'm going to go ahead and use my OBD2 and erase codes. Erase trouble codes. Are you sure? Yes. So I went ahead and erased the codes. Since I got a new gas cap, see, check engine light is gone. It's going to stay off. No more leak. Alright guys, I hope this helps.